Can we get a countdown? Hello and welcome back to the Dental Garden podcast. I'm Jack and I'm here with one of our patients, Chris. And basically, we've had a long treatment plan with him, and we're going to quickly just go over how everything went. And because me personally, I think it went pretty successful.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but but basically, we're going to start things off from basically square one. What made you want to seek dental treatment and come to us?
Okay, so originally for me, my teeth, I think my teeth broke probably about 10 years ago. And between then, custody, a few other things, they just deteriorated, especially over like a 2-3 year period. I went to a couple of places and everybody's process was to rip the remaining teeth I had out and give me dentures, and if I could avoid it, 100%. That was the plan. So I went through an organisation that sent me out this way and give it a try. So
it seems like it worked.
It did. It did.
Did you have any set expectations? Anything you thought specifically was going to happen during all of this?
Look, I think after a couple of places, I think it was. I'd resided almost to losing my teeth and getting dentures. I think that's they were pretty well screwed.
Yeah.
So it was.
So you were expecting
I was expecting that being best. If that was best case scenario, that was best case scenario.
Yeah.
We always want somebody to say something different. So.
I'm sure you're happy with how it went now, compared to having everything ripped out.
100%. 100%.
Fair enough. Now, is there anything during the whole procedure? Because it went on for how long?
I think we started this in March.
Yeah,
it's October now. Yeah.
Good few months. Were there any parts that were challenging or easier during the whole thing?
Do you know what? The one thing that I'd been, from getting the anaesthetic and doing the root canals and doing all the bits and pieces, I was actually expecting them to be a lot worse than what they were. The worst part about the whole thing was getting the deep clean of my teeth. I've never had that before, and that was brutal.
The perio? Yeah.
I thought, okay, I literally came in and I thought, okay, well, we've done all this other stuff. Yeah. I'm going to get a deep clean, and I'm thinking, okay, that'll be all right. And then I walk out of here thinking, if that's a deep clean, geez, that's the worst thing that's the worst part of the treatment I've had.
It would be worse, but I guess not.
Yeah, no, that was the worst part of the whole experience, I think, the deep clean. I'll remember that one.
Yeah, you probably won't forget it. Now, in terms of the whole change, was it a slow burn, or was it gradually just your teeth kind of growing?
Honestly, I didn't look at my teeth too much, knowing that there was still gaps and stuff in there. I think the biggest change was when I got the temporaries put in. Yeah. The first one was the bottoms, and just the height raised to the bottoms, and they were straight. And I just kind of thought, okay, these come all right. And that was just, they'd already been ground down, and then having just the tops added to them. And then I think I remember getting the crowns on the bottom and looking at them and going, shit, that's the height of the way they're supposed to normally be. And I thought, wow, there's a big difference between there and the middle. Yeah. So
now that it's all pretty much done, is there any have you noticed any big changes in your speech or eating?
Look,
just anything in your lifestyle?
My speech has changed a little bit. Look, I think just general appearance, how I interact with people. Yeah. I become very closed-jawed, closed-mouthed. Right. I was 50-50 whether I grow the beard back now that I've got my teeth, but somebody likes it, so I'll keep it for a little bit, but we'll see. But I was quite happy to take it off. But at one stage, I grew a beard really long. Right. Just to cover my mouth, it just takes the focus away from what's going on there. I remember catching myself laughing a lot of times. If I'd laugh, I'd catch myself halfway through and just be like, no, people can see. Yeah. And it's just, now it's just a big difference. Now it's just smiles.
Just a lot more confidence.
Yeah, 100%.
Good. Now, was any of this emotional or anything, or was it all just like another day, got to go back in,
Look,
sit down for 2 hours and get this done?
do you know what? Coming here was actually really pleasant.
Mm-hmm.
I never had a drama coming out here and doing this. Like, it was always comfortable, it was always welcoming.
Yep.
I think the emotional part came when the temporary teeth came in, and then when I knew I was coming in here and finally getting the last of them done, and it was just like I was a bit nervous. Like, I've got my partner, and like she was super excited.
Yep.
I don't know. I think it took a couple of days to kind of hit. and really sort of hit, and then like after a certain period of time, you don't get very good at taking compliments, and then all of a sudden everybody's kind of just, oh wow, look, and just like it's like, now don't look at them. They just because you've got to get past that break of, okay, people are looking at your teeth, and it's not a negative space.
Yeah,
it's in the good space to say they look really good. They look really good, and it even takes a little while to get used to that.
Yeah, I guess it would just be so different.
It's just somebody looking at your mouth, and like I was trying to avoid people looking at my mouth for so long.
Now, just I guess, toot my own horn, or just how did you feel like the communication and like the care that I guess we provided to you? Like, you felt like you kind of understood how everything was going.
Yeah, look, everything here, wouldn't fault it. Highly recommend it. Honestly, everything from the messaging all the way through, and Dr. Francis said, if you stick with me in this, and we'll see how we go with.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? And like, it was worth a shot, and
you tried so many options.
And it was a semi-promise made that that it'll be worth it, but we'll see how it goes, and we'll see what we can do. And look, you guys have been great. Yeah. Honestly, like no, it's been awesome all the way through. It has been.
Awesome. Amazing. Now that all this is done, I do hope you maintain, or at least understand how to maintain a good hygiene now.
Mate, I've got mouth guards and everything.
I'm sure you don't want to put all the brand new nice teeth in.
Oh, look, I'm not doing this again.
Yeah.
I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this again. And
now, I guess a final message. Is anyone considering similar treatment? Anything you have to say to them?
Look,
or at the very least, anything you could say to, I guess, your past self now?
I could say to my past self. There's a lot of things I'd say to my past self. I don't know whether they're airworthy, but it's pretty much look after them, and if you are doing the treatment, just stick with it. Just stick with it. It's there was the easy option to go get it done within a couple of weeks, and it's just a cheap and easy way to kind of do it, and it was just stick with it and go through it. So yeah.
Nice.
That's probably it.
It all ended up great.
It's all ended up fantastic, yeah.
Anyway, thank you, Chris, for allowing me to do this, and also, I guess giving us your, so
we'll see you in
letting us, work in your team.
Yeah, no, I appreciate it.
It's been great, and I hope you're the best.
Yep. See you in 6 months for a checkup.
Yeah, 6 months for a checkup. Thank you.